After brewing 200 cups of coffee, the hot brew icon will flash intermittently, and the cold brew icon will stay solid blue, indicating that descaling is required. 3 descaling methods are available. Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 12 liters of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. Add descaling solution to the water tank. Do not exceed the max water level. Then press and hold the hot brew button for a few seconds to enter descaling mode. Once descaling is completed, the coffee maker will return to standby mode. Next, empty the tank, refill it with clean water, and repeat the descaling process once to thoroughly clean the internal pipes.